In this video, I show you how to reinstall Microsoft Store for Windows 10 or 11. First, go to Search, type in PowerShell, and then right-click, Run as Administrator. Click Yes. First, we need to uninstall Microsoft Store. Type in this command. This will uninstall Microsoft Store. So click Enter, and then click Enter again. Just wait for it. Now it's done. If you see this, that means it's finished running. Now we need to reinstall Microsoft Store. So for reinstalling, we have to type in this command, then we hit enter again, just to make sure it's running. Now it's running here. Just wait for it. Now once you see this, it means it finished running. You can go ahead and close this window, and then you can open Microsoft Store, and this should work for you. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.